Hey guys, it's the Diamond Warbear here, not the real Angel. And I want to give shout outs to my friends. So first one is Gaming with Dan. 25 subscribers, so yeah, Gaming with Dan. Second is GeoSoto11. You should watch this video, it's hilarious. That video, and especially this one, Q&A one with Geo. Next, James Carranza. Only had one video, but doesn't matter. Kicks Encore 27. How I helped him record the first and the second video. That's right, Kicks Encore 27. No, wait, wrong one. Wrong one. Where is it? Okay, last one is Steven Soto. Brother, how is this video? Best FIFA team for 60k or lower. FIFA Pro Clubs promoted. So yeah, their channels will be in the link description, and goodbye.